with our salsa, we're gonna have to have our onions, garlic, cilantro, a mango over here, tomatoes, lime, and avocado. So first up, we're gonna have to dice our onions. I am going to chop my onions quite smaller than the usual chunky salsa, just because I don't like to really bite on raw onions, but if I make it smaller, I can stand it. Next would be chopping our garlic. Again, I'm gonna chop my garlic very, very tiny so I don't have to bite into bitter garlic pieces. So over here, I'm just gonna cut up our tomatoes. As you can see, I'm cutting these tomatoes into 4. Then I'm gonna grab a plastic bag to catch all the seeds. I personally do these to all my tomatoes so my salsa won't be too watery. Again, this is depending on preference. If you like your salsa watery, go keep those seeds. I personally don't, so I'm just gonna take them all out. Then we're gonna have to dice our tomatoes. Now I'm gonna chop our cilantro. I'm just gonna chop this into little pieces. You don't want, or I don't want to have a full leaf of cilantro in my salsa, so I'm just gonna chop these all up into little tiny pieces. Once you're all done chopping those cilantro, I'm gonna transfer it into a bowl with the tomatoes, onions, and garlic to give us more space to cut all our ingredients. Now the star of the salsa, we're gonna use a Mexican mango over here. I'm just gonna cut these mangoes up and peel it. Dice these mangoes as well, and we are going to mix it in our bowl with tomatoes and the rest of our ingredients. That's done, I'm just gonna give our lime here a little roll to make it more juicy. I'm just gonna cut this up and squeeze 1 lime into our salsa. We're gonna get our avocados. I'm just gonna open this avocado up and also dice the avocado as well. You guys, it's a struggle to chop these avocados. I'm not the best in chopping or using the knife, period, so forgive my chopping skills. Once we chop our avocados up, we're just going to mix that into the bowl. And now we're just gonna mix our salsa all together. I'm just going to add some salt and pepper into our salsa to give it some taste. Also, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar into the salsa. Now the last minute ingredient. I have my leftover mint in my fridge, and you know what? I thought about mixing the mint into the salsa, but I'm not quite sure what will be the outcome. But I have tried it earlier with the mint leaf and it tastes so good. It gives some freshness into the salsa. Just chop these all up and mix it into the bowl as well. So now we're pretty much done with our salsa. You can eat this with chips. You can put it over baked chicken or baked salmon. It tastes so good and refreshing. So this is the final product. Again, thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button down below. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any suggestions, please comment down below on what I should do next for my next video. Again, thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.